Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the Kübelwagen car from World War II, available at miniaturetanks.com. So here's the parts of the kit. So first of all, take your cutters here, hobby sprue cutters, and cut away the sprues. It's fairly standard procedure at this point. One of these wheels went flying off into the... So, careful to have a good workspace area. You don't want to have pieces go flying off into the distance and get lost in some carpet or something. Alright. There you go. Cleaning up those tires. And then take the rough piece. Go like this. Go like this. There you go. That piece is good. Now we're gonna cut this. There you go. And then cut this. Cut this. Cut this. There is a bit of cleanup to do here. This wheel well area. Sand it down if you wish, paint it, etc. There you go. So the front piece is good. Now let's do the back. Just cutting away this material. Then take this support plastic, take your cutters and just grab it. And then you can try to make sure all of that is removed. Alright, so there's that. Now we're going to get to the gluing side of the assembly. So the most obvious step, let's go ahead and glue the two parts of the car together. Just putting some glue along there, and then put that like that. Carefully try to get this lined up well. As you see here, and so I have an idea. And take this and put it on a flat surface, but you can't put it on the table surface because of this little back piece, but you can put it on some other edge of a flat surface. That helped. Nice. Now let's go ahead and put some glue here. Like that. There you have that part of the model, just like that. That's all good. Now let's go to test fit pieces. So we're test fitting this piece, and there you go. That slides in there. So just go like this. Then slide that right in there. And now put some glue here. All right. Slide that in there. All right, so that's looking pretty good. Now with most Kübelwagens, you will see that there's a spare tire on the hood. So just go ahead and put a dab of glue like that and put as the spare tire. The spare tire is the one with a little hole in it. The rest of them they don't look like the spare tire. Try to get that centered on the hood. All right, that looks good. Now, probably the most sometimes easy, next step is just put the wheels on. For that, the best method is just make sure that the axle is going into the center. Try not to let that happen. All right. There you go. Making sure that the wheels are going in the center of the axle. And go here. I believe this one that I'm working with is HO scale, 187 scale. Pretty small. So if you're working with a bigger model, it'll be a little easier. There you have it, a little Kübelwagen from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.